What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some spicy barbecue bacon burgers. Ooh, all the B's in there. We going to get the buzzing, and to get the buzzing, we got to get with it, cousin. So let's do it. Big baby, yes. That's right, baby. Spicy barbecue bacon burger. Spicy barbecue bacon cheeseburger to be exact. But we'll get there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. First thing we got to do is cook the burger. Now you're saying to yourself, Black Hour, you should be cooking that bacon first because it's the meat that takes the least time to cook. Well, sir, I've only got one skillet today and I don't want to cook the bacon first because it's going to make my burgers all greasy and nasty. And you know, people say, oh, use the bacon grease, use the bacon grease. In some instances, that is true. But not today, boy. I don't want no greasy burger. I want a good one. Good. So, we're going to put our burgers in here like this. And then we are going to do what we do. Now, like I said, if you got two separate skillets, then you probably can go ahead and put your, your burgers in one and your bacon in the other. Rich man, Mr. Elon Musk, space having ass with you. Two skillets. So, whatever. Yeah. Get it started right, buddy. So, we got our burgers in here. We're going to move them around a little bit. Just make sure everybody's playing nice. We got enough space. And everybody's doing good. And once it looks good to you, like it does to me, guess what we're going to do? I bet you can guess what we're going to do. Salt and pepper, baby. Just for flavor. We're going to start with the black pepper today. Sprinkle. Sprinkle that black pepper. And just a little bit of salt. And I got to be careful with mine because I lost the lid. So I'm going to have to sprinkle by hand. Like the Amish. Sprinkle. Oh yes. Alright, it smells good. So, we got our burgers in here. You want to watch them flip them. You want to flip them pretty quick. Burgers don't take that long. And today, my ass, I got the pre-formed patties because I ain't got time for that shit. It's the NBA playoffs and the Bucks and the Nets are playing at 6:30. And I want to be ready for that. I got to get done. I need to be ready for the game and watch who's going to play the Suns because that's who I'm worried about. Go Suns, baby. Go Phoenix Suns. So, we got our burgers in here. Let's do a little flip. And we will salt and pepper the other side. Then, once we get our burgers done, we will take them out. We will put them on a plate. And we will go ahead and add the bacon. And that's where the fun really begins, baby, because everything is better with bacon. So, we're going to go ahead and cook these burgers. We'll get the bacon. And then we'll be right back. So, come right back. And let's do it again. Ooh. Alright, buddy boy, the burgers are done, and I've already done one round of bacon, and my pot is smoking, boy. Kind of like me at a Cypress Hill concert. It's smoky in here. I had to open up a window. Kind of like last night when I woke up after drinking too many beers, and I had a few too many old hot wings there. Ooh, I tell you, I was blowing taps on the old butt trumpet there. Had to stand up and salute myself. It stunk so bad. Ooh. So, open a window if you doubt. It's smoking like me. You gotta open something up. Ventilate, baby, ventilate. And be careful when you put the bacon in because there's going to be grease and it's going to pop. Just like me on the dance floor, baby. Pop. And you can hear it sizzle. So, we're going to put our bacon in here. Bacon's going to cook quick, baby. You gotta cook quick with the bacon. You gotta go quick. And like I told you before, the secret to flipping bacon is the fork. My daddy learned from his daddy about flipping with the fork. Because you can stick the fork in there, and when you pull it up, it'll stretch out lengthwise, sir. And you can flop it right down, and it'll be perfect in the pan. So, like I said, we're going to cook this bacon just real quick. And by the time it gets done, I'm going to be back, and we're going to have fun assembling this big badass burger. But first, I got to go get another brew because an empty chalice is a lonely chalice. And I'm so lonely. Oh. Alright, bad boy Billy, let's get ready to assemble this big, beautiful burger, baby. I'm so ready, I can't stand it. So, we're going to do what I do every morning and grab my buns, baby, because nobody else will. And open them up and put them on the plate. Next thing, we're going to get us a big old beefy burger and put that son of a bitch down right there. Now, I'm going to make a double burger. You can make a single burger if you want to. Hell, you can even go vegetarian style and put no burger, but I don't suggest it. So, piece of cheese in between, and that's the pepper jack to give it just a little more spice, baby. Yeah, another big beefy burger right there. Next. Let's put on the bacon, and that's what I'm talking about, baby. Because you want a little extra crunch, or whatever the fuck you want to call it with your lunch. So, we got the bacon, we got the burger, we got the cheese, and let's put some onions on there, baby. Good shit. Now, like I say, you can put as little or as many as you like. Me, I'm gonna put 2 because I want it extra spicy tonight. And speaking of which, the barbecue is what ties it all together. Because what do I tell you every time? The sauce is the boss, baby. The sauce is just the boss. So we're gonna shake that up, and we're gonna drizzle a little barbecue sauce right on top of that thing right there. Ooh, look at it. Already looks good, but it's not spicy enough. We're going to need some jalapeno. So let's get our jalapeno, and once again, be as liberal or as unliberal as you want. I'm not into politics, but you do what you do. So we're going to spread these out. We're going to put some on there. We're going to make it a little spicy. And it's perfect. Now, let's put those aside. Let's grab our other bun. And you're kind of going to have to smoosh down on this. And the beautiful thing about that is you're going to hear a lovely crunch. Oh, I don't know if you heard it, but it was lovely to me. So, now we've got this big bag burger. And let's stand back and look at some bitch. And just enjoy it. I mean, there's not much more I can say. It's a work of art, and it's going to be a good meal tonight. So let's take a look. Alright, baby, the time has come. The barbecue bacon burger with the spice is done, and I'm having the first bite. Now, let me see if I can pick this big thing up. I might need a backhoe or something. This sucker's heavy, boy. Mm. 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 Oh, that's good. It's got all the layers of meat. It's got a little sweet. It's got a little heat. And it's just perfect for something to eat, baby. Well, I want to thank all of y'all for watching Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy that burger. And I'll see you next time, baby. I'm right here. Y'all see yourself out. I'm right here. See.